Students, this is one of the placement career guidance and placement cell initiative, and the program is also for the economically and academically weaker section of the children's, and those who can't afford to pay for this some private tuitions and elite institutions. This is only a small help by this our college management and the Vijay College principal, which is Balakrishna, Dr. Govind, and other faculty members. They were doing it in a different way, and I'm compiling it. And good morning, students. As a career guidance and placement initiative for the economically and academically weaker section of the students, we have been doing these IIT classes, and this is the 18th class. A few students, they were asking about more than 20 problems on integration, and the majority of the students, they were asking from different part of the state as well as the country, sir, you do a small introduction on integration, then you start, it will be easy for us. Then okay, we decided to do that. See, integration, everybody know about this first formula, x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. N is not equal to what? Minus 1, right? If it is minus 1, what will happen? This becomes 0, infinity. Now, whatever I am doing it, you take it as a formula only. See, x to the power of x dx to the power of 7. What is n here? 7. Therefore, x to the power of 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, x to the power of 8 by 8 plus c. Okay. The same number, it comes down. Say x square dx. How to do this? X 3 by 3 plus c, you know. And third one, if it is right, if I write x dx. Now this particular you have to treat as a formula future. Therefore, just x to the power of 1. This is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. X square by 2 plus c. Right? Now you know one formula. Integration of x dx is equal to x square plus 2 plus 3 c. And next dx. What do you mean by integration of dx? This can be 1 into dx is equal to anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1 dx. Therefore, that is equal to x to the power of 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus c, or x to the power of 1 plus 1, or x plus c. Therefore, in another new formula, integration of dx is equal to x plus c. Now, if it is the integration of dx by x to the power of 7, it is in the numerator, now it is the denominator. Take to the numerator, it will be easy. Then apply this formula, that is x to the power of minus 7 plus 1, minus 7 plus 1 plus c. Then what you get? X to the power of minus 6 by minus 6, or bring it down, minus 1 by 6, x to the power of 6. Now there is a shortcut method you can do. What is shortcut method? They say whenever you observe this in the denominator, best thing is what? Change the sign, decrease the power by 1, multiply by decreased power. So example, I will start doing like this. Integration of dx by x square. What is the best method? Change the sign, decrease the power by 1, multiply by decreased power, so minus 1 by x, you get it. But can I do the same thing for this? X to the power of 1, isn't it? Therefore, change the sign, decrease the power by 1, multiply by decreased power. What do you get? 1 by 0 is what? Infinity, you get it. Therefore, this is a different thing. Integration of dx by x is equal to log x by c. Now, I don't want to, this you have learned in the regular class, but only I am introducing here dx by x to the power of say 5. What you have to write? Change the sign, decrease the power, multiply by decreased power. Then integration of dx by x is equal to log x by c plus c. Right? Now, with these four formulas, see, you can say suppose dx by integration dx by x to the power of 3 by 2. How will you do it? You can apply this formula. What you have to write? Change the sign, decrease the power by 1, multiply by decreased power. This way also you can do. There is minus 1 by, what do you get? Half you get it, is it not? X to the power of half. This goes up, minus 2 by root x. You have to be very fast in doing this. Okay? Suppose integration of root x dx. How to do this? X to the power of half, isn't it? X to the power of half. Apply this formula. Then what will get? X to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1. X to the power of 3 by 2. Here also 3 by 2. 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2. This you can always write x to the power of half into x to the power of 1 by 3 by 2. This is again what? 2 by 3 x root x. This also the formula. This also the formula. Therefore, now remember this integration of root x dx is equal to 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 x root x plus c. And if it is the denominator, what will do? Root x. X to the power of half. Apply this formula. Change the sign, decrease the power, multiply by decreased power. That also I can do it. You can take it to the numerator and do it. Change the sign, decrease the power by 1, multiply by what? Decreased power. What do you get here? Minus 1 by minus half. Here also x to the power of minus half. Minus minus plus. This goes up 2 by x to the power of half. Right? 2 root x. Therefore, integration of dx by root x is equal to 2 root x plus c. Now, one particular sum they have asked. How to do this? X square minus x plus 1 by root x dx. How will you do this? There is no u by v method. Better simplify here. X square to x to the power of half. Then x by x to the power of half plus 1 by root x. I can retain it because I can use this. Here x to the power of, both are bases are same, powers are different. 2 minus half. Here x to the power of 1 minus half. This is leave as it is. X to the power of 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus x to the power of half plus 1 by root x. X to the power of x what? Root x plus 1 by root x minus x to the power of 3 by 2. This you have to calculate very fast because they will test your speed. numerical ability, like what is that? Calculation ability. X to the power of 3 by 2 minus root x plus 1 by root x dx. Actually, what in normal condition, some students they will be doing like this. In fact, this step we can eliminate. This you have to calculate mentally. Now this is what x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1. First formula I applied. Is it not? First formula I am applying. This is what happens. See? Root x 2 by 3 x to the power of x root x. Therefore 2 by 3 x root x plus what is this? 2 root x. Therefore this is 3 by 2 is what? 5 by 2. Here 5 by 2. 2 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 2 by 3 x root x plus 2 root x plus some constant. Again what? 2 is common factor everywhere. Here again what? Or root x also you can take it something. You can simplify. I don't know, like here you can take simplify. See here what is this? X to the power of 5 by 2 times x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 x into x, half into x. Therefore x square or root x it will come. Therefore you can do any method, but you have integrated, that's all, right? Now see now how to do this sum. Say integration of root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx. This is a minus b whole square, right? A minus b the whole square. Therefore what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square is x, you will read it, plus b square is 1 by x minus 2ab, that is 2 root x and 1 by root x. Integration of this, both get cancelled. Integration of x is what? X square by 2. See, I will do this. X dx plus dx by x minus 2 dx. That means x square by 2 plus this is what? Log x base e minus 2 integration of dx is x. Okay? How fast you do is important. Suppose x square minus x plus 1, 2x minus 3 dx. Now there is no u into v and all that. You have to multiply this properly. What is this? 2x cube minus 3 x square minus 2x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. 2x cube minus 5x square minus here what? Minus x, this is what? Minus 3x, is it not? Minus 3x. Here 2x is minus 1 minus 3. Therefore integration of 2x cube minus 5x square minus x minus 3 dx. You take 2 outside, x cube dx minus 5 outside, x square dx minus x dx minus 3 you take it, integration of dx. Therefore you will get 2 x to the power by 4 minus 5 x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 minus 3. Integration of dx is what? X. Twice it goes. Therefore the answer is plus c, you can write it. X4 by 2 minus 5x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 minus 3x plus c. See, these all are preliminary problems. You may get 1 or 2 mark here and there. I got integration of x square dx or x cube dx what? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 you will do it. See, instead of this you have got x term. You got x term. Say 2x square plus 1. This is 4 plus 3 x. How to do this sum? These are all very complicated in integration. But or suppose linear function of x, if you have, say example, 2x plus 3. Alright? This is a linear function, ax plus b form. Suppose say 4. Very difficult to expand. Or 14 if they give up. What will do? Here 4 or 40. Suppose 14 they give. Very difficult to expand. Therefore, you treat this as an x term. Right? That means capital X to the power of 14 dx. This is x to the power of 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1. Divided by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, do it. Here what is that? First formula I am applying. That is 2x plus 3 to the power of 15 by 15 divided by coefficient of x is 2 here. The answer for this 2x plus 3, 15 by 30. So example like this, whatever the formula you learned, integration of root x is what? 2 by 3, x to the power of 3 by 2, isn't it? So integration of, I am writing 1 minus 3x. This is the form of ax plus b, right? Linear term. Therefore, what are it? 2 by 3, x plus 1 by 3x, 2 by 3, divided by coefficient of x is what? Minus 3. Therefore, you get 2 by 9, 1 minus 3x, 2 by 3 plus c. And if they give like this, 2x by 1 minus x. How to do this? See, you are done this sum. 2 root x, right? Here what I write? 2 root x term, 1 minus x by minus 1. Because lot of students, they forget this. In the entrance exams, here is a big problem. 2 root x, this one. Therefore, the answer is what? Minus 2, 1 minus x of plus c. For almost all choice, say integration of dx by x is what? Log x. But integration of dx by 2 minus x, how to do this? This is the x term, therefore log 2 minus x. Coefficient of x is what? Minus 1. This is equal to minus log 2 minus x. This goes up, log 2 minus x to the power of minus 1. That is equal to log 1 by 2 minus x. You will get this type of sums. Therefore, you have to be very careful in doing the integration. This is only just to see a startup. In the next class, we will do bit detail. Thank you.